Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
What do we have today, Quinn?
The bank.
We have the bank. It's the Bulldozer Break-In, 60140, 561 pieces.
Yeah.
So I think
And we got the police station already built.
got the police station already built. We did that one yesterday. Not yet.
It was my birthday.
It was your birthday yesterday. What is it today? The day after your birthday.
I'm 4 years old.
Oh my goodness. All right, give me this so I can help you.
Get big foot up a charge.
All right.
Whoa, look at this. The big can that I ever seen. Whoa, this is big pieces.
All right, well, make sure you don't
Is
knock
this
the
for the
police station
bank?
over with the big pieces.
And this is for the police car. This is for the helicopter. And this is for the police truck.
Yeah? Goodness gracious.
It's a lot of pieces.
Sure is a lot of pieces.
Yes, it is.
So, what do we say?
I want to debug.
Pause. Ta-da! All right, so we got the bank. Let me see the bank. We had another dog, and now we have 4 dogs in our collection. How old are you?
4.
How many dogs we have?
4.
That's right. All right, so there's the bulldozer, the bank. The bank was missing multiple pieces that I needed. So I had to piece together things. So I got to wait tomorrow. I'm going to build another piece of the roof. I had to use 2 different pieces on here, which made me miss another piece on the safe, which I had to put something else. So they were missing a lot of pieces, but luckily we have some extra pieces.
Daddy, when the bad guys put it with the hook.
They pull it with the hook.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! That's pretty cool. Pulls the little safe right out, and you can open up the door.
And it has the money.
Yep, has lots of money. And then this really cool. It's a different police helicopter.
And I have this.
The light and a camera, and then the truck to put the bad guys, so like a paddy wagon.
Get the money. Okay, I will get the money. And you have to do the video of this.
Oh, okay, I just did it.
And let's do it.
All right. I'm gonna do the video.
This connects to here in the front.
Yep, you gotta push it in there just a little tighter. Hold on, let me show. Push it in there where it snaps just a little bit.
This burn is horrible. Not getting it. It has to.
Where is she going? She's gonna go on top.
No, the bad guy. He's going to watch the bad guy getting the money out.
Oh, it's a he, isn't it? Okay.
Now we got all of the bad guys.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, getting it. There's a lot of bad guys. There's a lot of them at the store.
Yeah. Oh my goodness gracious!
Yeah, literally.
Push it in a little bit harder.
This thing is horrible.
This bank is horrible.
This bag is horrible. Nope. This can't work. Don't. Hurry. The police will be here soon. Don't worry. It has to work.
Is that what they say in the movie? Somebody's seen this a few times, huh?
Don't worry. It has to work. Hooray! We got the money!
Let's get out of here!
The police! Yeah!
I see the bad guys. I got a camera and a spotlight on them.
No.
I see you. Get the police. Wait, my bumper fell off. You're on your rest. You're going back to jail.
No, look at my bulldozer. And I have a hook, and I can carry you into the bank. Can carry you into
No. I'm gonna eat a pizza.
No, I get pizza.
All right, we're gonna go play. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.